Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for an Australian partner visa. First, let's cover the essential eligibility requirements. You and your partner must demonstrate a genuine and ongoing relationship. Your sponsor needs to be an Australian citizen, a permanent resident, or an eligible New Zealand citizen, and both of you must be at least 18 years old. For de facto relationships, you typically need to show you have lived together for at least 12 months before applying, though exceptions can apply. Next, gathering the right documents is crucial for a strong application. You'll need identity documents like passports and birth certificates for everyone included. Obtain police clearance certificates from any country where you have resided for 12 months or longer since turning 16. All applicants must complete health examinations. Most importantly, provide comprehensive evidence of your genuine relationship, covering shared finances, household responsibilities, social recognition, and mutual commitment. The application process is primarily online via the Department of Home Affairs IME account. You'll lodge one application that covers both the temporary and permanent stages of the visa. The base application fee is a significant investment, currently around $9,365 Australian dollars. Remember, there are additional costs for including dependents, undergoing health examinations, and obtaining police clearance certificates, so budget accordingly for these expenses. Finally, let's talk about processing times and what to expect. Temporary partner visas can take anywhere from 12 to 26 months to process. The permanent stage, assessed about 2 years after your initial application, typically takes an additional 11 to 30 months. Submitting a thorough and well-supported application from the start can help avoid delays. You'll first receive a temporary visa, allowing you to live in Australia while your permanent residency is being finalized.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.